When it comes to robots, many people often think of modern machines that can walk, talk, and even do household chores or assist in production lines. However, few know that the journey of robot development actually began with very simple things, even small toys. Let's take a look back at the miraculous evolution of robots, from simple toys to advanced humanoid robots, which are gradually becoming an indispensable part of modern life. The story of robots can begin thousands of years ago, when humans first dreamed of creating moving objects that could mimic the actions of humans or animals. In ancient Egypt, Greece, and China, the first automatic mechanisms were invented. Statues that could wave, birds that could sing, thanks to simple mechanisms powered by water, wind, or elastic force. Although they were not true robots, these were the initial steps towards the concept of machines that can move in the minds of humanity. Stepping into the 18th and 19th centuries, along with the development of mechanics, inventors created many more complex automated devices. Dolls that could blink, nod, and even write or draw appeared in Europe, captivating the nobility and collectors. In particular, the automaton, a type of mechanical doll that could perform movements like a real person, amazed and delighted many people at that time. Although they were merely entertainment toys, they laid the groundwork for the future development of robots. By the early 20th century, the term robot officially appeared in the play R.U.R. by Czech writer Karel Čapek. In this work, robots are described as artificial beings capable of working in place of humans. Although they are merely products of imagination, the idea of robots quickly spread and became a source of inspiration for countless scientists and engineers around the world. At the same time, robot toys began to appear on the market, especially in Japan and the United States. Tin robots that walked by winding a key, made beep-beep sounds, or flashed blinking lights became the dream of many generations of children. They were not just toys, but also symbols of the dream of a future where machines could assist and serve humans. The 1950s and 1960s marked a significant turning point in the history of robot development. This was a period of explosive scientific and technological advancement with the emergence of the first electronic computers. Scientists began to research how to program machines to perform automated actions, leading to the concept of industrial robots. In 1961, the Humanoid robot, the first industrial robot in the world, was installed at the General Motors automobile plant in the United States. Humanoid could perform welding and assembly tasks without direct human intervention, ushering in the era of automation in production. From now on, robots are no longer just toys or entertainment products, but have become useful machines that contribute to changing the face of the global industry. Industrial robots are increasingly being improved, becoming smarter, more flexible, and more precise, capable of performing a wide range of tasks from simple to complex in factories and enterprises. Along with the development of industrial robots, scientists are also continuously researching and creating types of robots that serve human life. The 1970s and 1980s witnessed the emergence of service robots, such as vacuum robots, floor cleaning robots, and robots for caring for the elderly or disabled. These machines are becoming increasingly popular, helping to alleviate the burden of daily tasks for people, especially with the explosion of microchip technology, artificial intelligence, and sensors. Robots today have reached a new height. Modern robots not only know how to perform mechanical tasks, but can also recognize images, voices, understand and respond to natural language, and even learn from real-world experiences. Robots like Honda's Asimo, SoftBank's Pepper, or Hanson Robotics' Sophia have made a strong impression by being able to walk, communicate, express facial emotions, and even participate in social activities. Not only that, robots are also widely applied in many other important fields. In medicine, surgical robots like Da Vinci have assisted doctors in performing surgeries with precision down to the millimeter, minimizing risks and recovery time for patients. In rescue operations, exploration robots can enter dangerous areas, aiding in the search for victims in natural disasters or nuclear incidents. In space, autonomous robots like Curiosity and Perseverance have helped humanity explore the surface of Mars, expanding our understanding of the vast universe. One of the prominent trends today is the development of humanoid robots, robots that have human-like appearance, gestures, and even emotions. Scientists are striving to create robots that not only know how to work, but can also interact naturally, empathize, and assist humans in many aspects of life. These robots are expected to become companions and valuable assistants for humans in the near future. However, the strong evolution of robots also poses many challenges and questions for society. Can robots completely replace humans in labor, creativity, and even in social relationships? How can we ensure that robots serve the interests of humanity and do not cause negative consequences? These are the issues that scientists, philosophers, and policymakers are striving to address. Looking back at the long journey, from simple toys to today's intelligent robots, it is clear that the evolution of robots is a clear testament to the endless creativity of humanity. From the dream of creating machines that can move, assist, and accompany us, we have been turning that dream into reality day by day. In the future, with the continuous development of technology, robots will advance even further, becoming an indispensable part of every aspect of life. Perhaps, in the not-so-distant future, every household will have a friendly robot companion that knows how to listen, share, and support all human needs. Or super-intelligent robots will join us in conquering new horizons, from the depths of the ocean to distant planets. However, no matter how advanced technology becomes, robots are still just products of human intelligence. It is we who decide the direction, purpose, and value of robots in society. Let us work together towards a future where robots and humans collaborate, support, and develop for a better world. Thus, from small toys to modern robots, the evolution of robots is an inspiring journey that reflects humanity's desire to conquer, create, and continuously improve. It is not just a story about technology, but also a story about dreams, beliefs, and hopes for a future where humans and machines together create wonders.